Okay, so anyway, this is a Honeywell mask that I purchased off Amazon for about 140 bucks. The filters, you buy them in a 2-set, and those are going to cost you about 17 bucks, okay? And these, they screw on, all right? So you got to screw those babies on right there, and you'll see there's little threads in it, okay? And so you screw these on, and you're ready to go. All right, this is your go-to mask for the zombie apocalypse COVID-19 breakdown. All right, so I want to show you on the back of this mask, on the sides, on the straps, there's these little hooks here, and you pull these to get pull on these to get it tighter and looser, and you got them on top here too. So what you have to do is you got to kind of get it, where you need it to be. And the way you do that is just like on a scuba mask, you kind of pull it through. See that right there? You can pull it through this way, or you can pull it back that way. Watch, I pull it this way, comes this way, pull it this way, goes that way. And so I had it right about here before. That was good. All right, so the top is good for me. It's all set. And then the bottom you want loose, all right? Because what you're going to do is once you get it on, you get it loose like this, so the tabs are here. But once you get it on, then you tighten it, all right? So now you got to be careful too, because on the inside, sometimes this can flap out. You want this in. You want the nose piece in. So you got to be careful, because when you put it on, this can flap out like that, and you just got to push it back in. So what you want to do is, I got to take off my glasses for this, because I got to wear my contacts with this thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of smush it on like this, all right? And you can see that it's loose. But when I come over here to the side, I'm going to pull on this. All sides, you can do it at the same time, like that. And then you pull the mask forward and then back, and then it sets right in your face perfectly. And you know what? You are not going to have a problem with this mask. It will protect you. It protects the gate of the eye. The gate of the eye is protected. Nothing's getting in. And these things here, this is like a nuclear war mask. And I highly recommend it if you guys really want to protect yourself. And it works really good. Woodstock. So for maximum protection, you can go with this Honeywell. And I bought extra ones of these so that we can, change them out. You can hear me breathing. This is your super mask. All right, also, if you're claustrophobic, you might not like this mask, because it's a little tight, it's a little hard to breathe, yeah, but you can get your air in. Now, to get out of it, what I do is I'm gonna pull here, and it just loosens. Right here. Very simple. It just loosens right up. And bam, there you are. There you go. No biggie, right? Those are my horns. So when you first put it on, it could scare you, because it is, it's a little claustrophobic when you first put it on. So you got to know how to take it off quick in case you get scared. But this is a definite one you want if you want to keep yourself safe from the virus. All right. Again, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos about the apocalypse. Dun, 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 dun.